Hello! So welcome to this Tube Relevance 3.0 update. There's so much that I want to share with you, and I'm just going to articulate it with really this quick video to talk about the changes and how you can navigate around the interface. Now, I highly recommend you take the course primarily on your computer, because then the lessons are designed to do one thing and then put it into practice. You're also going to see some resources. I've included some software, in particularly I recommend vidIQ and TimeBolt. These are software programs that I personally use. TimeBolt has really been a huge time saver. I did a 3-part series on YouTube, and this was a 3-week, 90-minute Zoom session going from start to finish, each week building on its previous. I've never been able to release the replays other than to the people who were there live. So that's been added to the Tube Relevance program. If you're the kind of person that wants to sit back and just absorb a conversation about YouTube, then that's for you. If you need something that's more step-by-step, start to finish, excerpts of that training plus other trainings are put in the sequential Tube Relevance training, which is about 25 videos. I personally feel like the way to get it is to look at it as a whole picture. Now, I personally am now going through a transformation of my own channel. Even though I am monetized at the highest levels on YouTube, and we have almost now, we're literally this close to 4 million views on our channel. This is my 6th YouTube channel. So I took a while to figure out, the algorithm and how it works. Audience development is probably the first thing you want to focus on, and that's the exact thing that I was not focusing on because my audience created itself based on the content of the video. That's kind of how the YouTube algorithm was back in 2012 when my channel was started. But these days, audiences are the most important thing to do. So I highly recommend you start the program with vidIQ. I went all in with vidIQ. I got a coach, and my coach has over 1 million subscribers. So I wanted a coach. I actually reached out to the support department and said, hey, I need a more advanced coach than the person you assigned me, because I actually have more subscribers than they do, and I need someone who can actually help me grow my channel to the next level. I'm really happy with him. And so you want to go and try that program out. Now, when you're inside of my course, you're going to see the name of the course is on the left, and you click open that page, and then on the right-hand side, you're going to see the individual lessons as well as drop-down menus and modules. This allows you to organize your work. Now, unique to Tube Relevance, we've invented some technology that will allow you to autoplay. If you're driving a vehicle, like if you're driving down the road, it will remember the lesson you were on, so next time you log in, whether you're logged in on your mobile device or you're logged in on your computer, it will save the lesson, and you'll see the lock will be there, each lesson unlocked. You can also click the forward arrow to advance the lesson. I would say start on the left-hand side of the screen and go from top to bottom and sign up for these programs, because they will help you whether you go free or whether you go to the paid version. Like I said, I went all in with vidIQ, and I'm really happy I did, because it's helped me with redesigning sort of the core message of the brand of my channel. And that's not something I'd say it's beyond the scope of what Tube Relevance is able to do, at least my portion of it. That's why I've included, these as your first steps and your next steps, because you want to start the journey of using these tools. Like vidIQ has a tool inside of there. Once your channel is growing, you can say, hey, why did this video do well? Why did it not do well? It actually can go into your YouTube account, pull out the data, and be able to tell you exactly in plain English what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong, what your keywords should be, how you could change your titles, all the things I talk about in principle. Now let's talk about my own software, which is very important in your Tube Relevance journey. It's SociSnap and Search Triggers and the EarthGrid search engine. These 3 tools will be used throughout, in particular with this training, because it's really about research for your videos, and then what you want to be is like a servant leader, having your video be such that it saves people time on having to do the research themselves. There's a section on that, especially when you're doing how-to videos. So now the best way, of course, is to have a coach. I would recommend that you go into the coaching program with vidIQ, and then once you have a little traction on your channel, you sign up with a channel review with me personally. I can tell you from a data side a little bit more because I've been working with YouTube data for more than a decade, and I think I can help you grow your channel. So that's my Halloween message for you. It's Halloween in the year 2023 as I'm recording this video. A number of people just signed up. So if you're brand new to Tube Relevance, welcome. For those of you who have been in Tube Relevance for years, I hope that you'll find the new direction that we're taking Tube Relevance and the Mr. Hatman channel to your liking. So that's it, and I'll see you in the members area.